I hit 40 years old and I said, you know, I really want to make a difference in the world. I want to solve a really big problem.
That problem was helping governments better communicate with citizens.
I knew that technology was the answer to solving that problem, but specifically that internet-based technologies.
Kim needed a partner, a top-notch technologist that could bring this big idea to life.
How does this work? You know, I think because we have, we both are like really two pieces of a puzzle that you need, and he does a lot of the business, and you know, he really keeps us focused on what our strategic missions are,
but vice versa, Dave. You know, and I have, I mean, Dave's one of the top technologists in the country.
David developed one of the first software-as-a-service products on the market. In essence, a private website where government officials could collaborate on projects and gather feedback from citizens.
First 3 years, people thought we were nuts. Thought we were nuts. What are you guys doing?
But the company was quickly making a name for itself, acquiring government projects around the country.
We have something that has happened here at the World Trade Center.
It's horrible here. People are standing in the street in tears. People are panicking and calling their families.
9/11 was a very historical event in everyone's lives. You know, it's one of those rare times in history where we can all remember where we were, what we were doing, and it impacted each and every one of us in this country in many ways.
Kim and David realized that their technology could make a difference in the rebuilding efforts and in planning national memorials to honor the fallen heroes.
In one sense, it was about choosing design. In another sense, it was about creating inclusion. And in even another sense, it was about supporting healing.
In 2002, the company built a system that created an outlet for Americans to share their opinions about the redevelopment of the World Trade Center site.
I hope someday you'll join us.
And the world will be as one.
Imagine New York.
You know, it's a very improbable story if you think about it that way. And you think about a little company down Naples, Florida in the middle of New York City.
And to be standing in New York in Times Square and see our system with our URLs, you know, being flashed on there, just it showed the huge potential of what we've been talking about and how it really does impact the world. Once we got that real, you know, those first wins, we knew we could just do anything, and we just kept going.
In 2005, Hurricane Katrina hit. CNN wanted to create a searchable database that allowed family and friends to quickly locate information on loved ones.
We talked to them and they said, look, we can't do this in-house very quickly. Can you do it for us? And basically we stood there in Atlanta in the CNN Center, and I said, yep, I can do that for you. And within a week, we had it up.
The same technology could provide a forum for dialogue in the media to engage audiences and collect content from them.
You can upload your images and video clips from your computer.
And for businesses to listen to its customers, partners, and employees. Extending the interactions to mobile devices came with the acquisition of Movo Mobile in 2006.
Like any emergent technology or any emergent technology company or any emergent industry, there's going to be a winner. One company or one very small group of companies in our industry is going to get that right. And we intend to be that company.